Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to essentially make a taser. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go on to eBay or Trade Me or any other website online that sells these things, and you're going to be looking for what's going to come under the name high voltage generator. And they're going to look something like this or something like this. Some of them are bigger, some of them are smaller. Some of them are stronger and some of them are weaker. If you get little square ones, I think they make more of a plasma arc than a proper taser arc, and they're just going to burn you. They're not really going to sting you that much. And then what you're going to want to do is get yourself one of these 3.7 volt lithium ion batteries. 9,900 milliamp hours is definitely going to do the job. If you were going to do a professional job of this, you'd buy like a battery case and a switch and you'd solder it all together and everything. I'm not really going to be doing that. I'm just going to sort of be demonstrating how you would make a taser. So first thing to do is just space the electrodes by bending the wires. If we can do this without messing up, come on, let's go. And you want to get the electrodes fairly close to each other just for testing purposes. Not too far apart or they won't arc, and not too close or they will short circuit, and that's going to be really bad for your generator. For some reason I can't get it to go next to itself. Come on, this is ridiculous. Alright, it's close enough I think now. Once your terminals are close enough, you just go ahead and connect the battery to the high voltage generator. It's going to make a very loud, annoying sound, and you'll see a big old arc. I'm just going to grab the wire and slowly pull it apart, see how far we can get the spark gap to go. Oh, just a second. The camera doesn't pick it up too well there, just because of how fast the sparks are, and it's a little bit jittery. But you get the idea. You get a nice little battery case for this thing. You just connect the wires, you put a switch in between, and you got a taser. Pretty straightforward. Thanks for watching, and have an excellent day or night. Goodbye.